Now we are going to proceed ahead with understanding the difference between single agent and multiple AI agents with a very simple and interesting example. Previously, we understood what are AI agents. Now we will go ahead and talk about the type of AI agents. This is very interesting. I really love this part. So let me tell you about this part as well. See, AI agents, we know an AI agent has three things: brain, memory, and tool. Now we have types of AI agents. We have single AI agents and we have multi AI agents. Now, single AI agents we know designed for one task, and one AI agent will have these three things. And this is a single AI agent which we were talking about. Now, when we talk about multi AI agents, so in this scenario, we are using multiple AI agents to solve one big problem. All right. So these are three AI agents, and all these AI agents will have brain memory tool, brain memory tool, and brain memory tool. Right. Now, what is a beautiful example of this multi-agent workflow? See, let us talk about a pharmaceutical use case. Okay, pharma use case. Let me erase this. A single agent has brain memory tool, and when we talk about multiple AI agents, all these agents will have their own memory, own tools, and own brain. Okay, so brains can also be different. One is using OpenAI brain, one is using Gemini brain, one is using Claude brain, depending upon the task we have given. So let us talk about this pharma company. Let us talk about a pharmaceutical use case. Very interesting, you will love it. In this pharmaceutical use case, let us say we have a CEO of this organization. CEO. We can call it CEO AI agent. Now, what is the task of the CEO AI agents? To bring up clients, to have conversation with clients, to get new orders for the company. So let us say the CEO, the task was CEO was to get new orders, and CEO got a new order that, hey, we have to develop a new medicine to solve some infection virus. Okay, some viral infection we want to solve, and we have got a new client who wants to develop a new medicine for solving viral infection, viral fever which we get. So this CEO has multiple people under him, right? So we can do something like this. One, he has a research team, so we can call it a research agent. And one, it has a developing team, which means a team of scientists who develop on the basis of research, that this is what we research and now we will make medicines. So to make medicines a different team, to research about these medicines a different team. All right, now this research agent, what research agent will do? Research agent will check entirely on the web for research papers, for new research, latest research, what all things are happened. And scientists, what these will do, they will receive some instructions from these research people, and these instructions will be passed to them and they will make it. All right, so I hope you are understanding. His task was to get orders, he got it. So the big task, this AI agent's task was to only search for research papers. He will not make the medicines, not bring clients. And this task of this scientist was to make the medicines, not research, not anything about it. Right. And now these can have their own teams. These can be further, expanded in this particular manner. Own AI agents, own memory, own brain, own tools. All right. Now, if we talk about another question, that now this CEO has received a new requirement. This CEO has received a script of tasks that, hey, these are all the materials, go ahead and directly make the medicines. We have done our research, we don't need your research team, cut down the costs. Okay, so some client already got the already has completed the research and they directly want to make this, manufacture this. Now this time when the CEO receives this new task, CEO will not send this task to research team. CEO will directly send this task to the scientist team, and scientists will directly make it and give it back to the CEO. Right? So this is multi-agent workflow where multiple AI agents are working to solve one big task. Everyone has their own task. We are not changing the meaning of AI agent. He has his own purpose. He has its own purpose. He also has its own purpose. The only thing which is changed is all of them are working on one big purpose individually, right? So this is single AI agent and multi AI agent. Single AI agent is just called single AI agent, and this multi AI agent, when we are programming the behavior of AI agents, is called agentic AI systems. That is what it is. Agentic AI systems. Now, what exactly makes these AI agents agentic? Okay, this is the question. What exactly makes these AI agents agentic? See, let me write it here. An AI is agentic when there is a behavior involved. When there is a behavior involved in solving a task. All right, you will understand this very nicely in the upcoming modules. But for now, whenever there is a behavior involved, what was the behavior we just saw? The behavior we saw was this CEO was deciding, this CEO was reasoning, or he was thinking that, hey, I have got a new task of directly making the medicines. I don't need my research team. Although it has a research team and it has a team of scientists, right? But when the task is directly to make or manufacture the medicines, the CEO thought that, hey, the CEO reasoned, right? And it took a decision that, hey, I will give this task to the team of my scientists. When the scientists finish their task of manufacturing, they will give this task back to the CEO. So you are able to see some behavior in this, right? Now, if we talk about AI agents, if we talk about AI agents, we were just talking about one tool, calculator, but they can have a list of tools. They can even web search. They can even search in a database, just how this policy agent was doing it. It was searching in a database and giving us the answers, right? They can also do some custom task, right? We know robotics is a very famous market going on. In robotics also we can program, right? For robotic behavior. So we have seen that cooking robots, right? Cooking robots, table tennis robot, right? So what is happening? They have a main brain, and the brain is triggering the hand to play table tennis, right? So how is this happening? There is a behavior involved based on thinking, and this is what agentic AI is, right? When it is using multiple tools and it is trying to take an action either virtually, right, or either in the physical world if we are talking about robotics. So this is what agentic AI is all about. So my friends, now you clearly know the difference between single AI agents and multiple AI agents. Moving forward, we are going to talk about various frameworks involved in making these agentic AI solutions. Which to use when, what are the different technologies which we can leverage to make these agentic AI systems is what we will talk about.